Hi guys, welcome to Motorplug Teesside. Today we have something special. It is a black Range Rover Sport TD V8 twin turbo with Project Kahn body kit and alloys. Clean example for age and mileage commencing. Now the private plate is not coming with the vehicle, guys. It is a 2007 plate, so the original reg will go back on. Private plate not with the car. Do a quick walk around video of the vehicle. Nice clean alloys. A lovely car, guys. A lot of car for the money. Lovely example. Nice black leathers in there. Heated rear seats and front seats. Nice sunroof there. Now guys, if you are interested in this vehicle, please give us a call or visit our website. Ask for JD or Assad. It's a lovely car, guys. Thank you very much for watching.